Hey guys, so good morning to all of you. It's around 1 plus, nearing 2 a.m. This video will most likely be out around 2 a.m., more or less. But this is part of my commitment also, even for the second channel, to as much as possible create daily videos about the market and its insights. So since it's late now, this will be very short now. And I just want to give my hot take on what's happening in the markets. So there. By the way, if you're new to this, my name is Marvin Gurmo. I'm a stock market trader and investor, and I create daily videos in both of my channels. My first channel, Marvin Gurmo, with over 1,600 videos, and this channel, Stock Investing Made Easy, where I talk about the charts. As you can see here, we're gonna do a deep dive on the PSEI. We're gonna talk about it in a bit, but I create daily videos like this, and if you want to know more about the stock market and how you can trade with confidence, for both Philippine and US markets, like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell so you get updated every time I create new content about investing and something that will deeply help you in your trading journey. So the market, in all intents and purposes, no, it closed today at 5,738 in that regard. And if you look at it also from a price perspective, opening price was around 5,820. It never went higher than that. Then it dipped to around 5,700. I just want to share this also, that while all of that was happening, remember what I would say, that a large chunk of the market is also predicated on what's happening to Ayala, SM Prime, BDO, AC. And today, Ayala Land was sold down. Ayala Land was around 27 pesos per share at the closing. So if Ayala Land got sold down, guess what? That's how the market as a whole also will be impacted. That's how the market as a whole also will get hit. And that's one. And number two, foreigners have been selling. As of this point in time, large funds, institution, foreign funds have been getting out of our markets. And please remember this: we are still at a point where foreigners are dominating us. And if foreigners sell, guess what? More sellers bring the prices down. Our markets will drop. And hindi pa rin nagbabago yun. Up until now, stretch out the whole year, they've been getting out. And I've been saying this in other videos, both in this channel and on my first channel. Saan pupunta yung pera? It's very obvious. Money over the past years, US markets. Money over the past money over the past months, US markets. Money over the past months, gold. Money over the past months, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies. And it's very clear. I don't know where else it's going, but it's very clear. It's not moving in our markets. It's very clear that we've been sold down. It's very clear also that there's still a lot of uncertainty for the PSE. In the PSE also, we really haven't figured out how to curve all of this yet. We still have not figured out how the economy will go, and there's still a lot of things that need to be fixed, from banking to property. People are still not going out to the malls. People still don't feel safe. So up until all of those things are out, you could still expect people to either stay in the sidelines or continue to sell their positions. But guess what? We're not here to speculate here. Let's just look at what the charts are telling us right here, right now. And comment below if you're appreciating this, if this is something that's helping you. Me making this video and publishing this ng madaling araw. But anyways, nothing has changed. From a trend perspective, the PSEI is still in a downtrend. Nothing has changed from a trend perspective, that we're still pushing down, we're still headed down, we still haven't really escaped this downward trending motion that's happening to the market. But looking at it from a shorter term perspective, I said this in the previous videos leading up to where we are. This entire area breakdown, very clear breakdown from this range 5960 level and also the 20-day moving average. We broke down from this level, then boom, large red candle. Then this is what's so interesting that I'd like to point out for you guys also today. Allow me to zoom in. We pegged this area, the 5686 level, as an area of support. The stock opened here, higher sana than yesterday, but as it opened here, intraday, boom, it hit this level. And as you all know, when there's a wick that gets formed, you have to look at saan yung position ng wick. And yung position ng wick was at the support area. And as you all know, this solidifies that somewhere around this area, there's a level of buying. It happened also here. So this is what I want to say. Because of this boom, it pushed a bit higher and reconfirming that there's a buying area there. But tomorrow is still important because we have to see tomorrow if the selling happens. Will the stock actually hit this level and start to bounce? Or will it this is this already the bounce and it will continue to go here? One thing is very, very clear that from a trend perspective, we're still in this massive downtrend. We have not escaped this downtrend yet. And from a range perspective, this is the current range. So guys, for position traders, please write this down. The PSEI is still in a downtrend. If you're a position trader, there's still no buy signal. There's still no opinion for you to come in yet. If you are a quick trader, the current range that you need to respect for the PSE is 5960, and then your support is the 5685, 5686 level. So 5960, 5686. That's the current range for the PSEI. And if you measure this, this is how it will look and this is how it will go. It's around 4.8. It's a very, very thin range. But what's so interesting is this. Pag hindi ito mag-hold, ito na yung pwedeng bagsakan. You can expect the PSEI to go down somewhere around the 5,400, 5,375 level, which is still consistent with its entire downward path. And kung i-circle ko tong area na to, this still looks like a downtrend here. So it could possibly still move in this fashion. But again, our goal is not to speculate. Our goal is not to guess. Our goal is not to just figure out what's gonna happen. Kasi if it bounces naman, then it will just trade this particular range. So there. Again, you can please write this down. Medyo magulo na. I'll fix this here. Yan. Please just write this down. If this particular area, this 5.6 level does not hold, it could go down to 5.375. But if it bounces off of this area, then we could go back to the 5.960 area. But again, we are still in a downtrend. Foreigners are still selling, and there's still not yet up until this time something very compelling for people to buy our markets at a much higher price. So that's it. I'm maybe gonna call it a night. It's not one of those long videos. I'm a bit tired. There's a lot of meetings that happened today. So yun lang. If you have questions about the PSE guys, PSEI, please put them in the comment section below. Then tomorrow or in the next few days, I'm gonna try to make a video about it. But I'm not so sure kung how for the next at least 2 to 3 days if I'm gonna be able to post here. Pero for sa channel 1, Marvin Germo, for sure I'm gonna make daily videos pa rin dun. But dito, I'll try to make as possible. But yun, it's just gonna be a busy next day, next set of days for me. But yeah, put it in the comment section if you guys have any questions, or if you have a personal question, slide a DM there. I started a Patreon account. Link is in the description below. I also started a YouTube community. We have a ton of content there that's not available, that's exclusive to community members. Then I have books in the description and online courses as well. And I guess that's it. Tired, I'll just call it the night. And yun, I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart, guys. See you all again soon, and God bless you all. And yeah, good night from Manila.